hobby?
My hobby is blah, blah, blah.
What subject do you like best?
My subject like is blah, blah, blah.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blah, blah, blah.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is blah, blah, blah.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is blah, blah, blah.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is blah, blah, blah.
What is your religion? Okay, what is your father's name? What is your mother's name? What is your father's job? What is your mother's job? What time do you go to school? What time do you go to sleep? What time do you wake up? How many brothers do you have? How many sisters do you have? Okay, thank you very much. That's it.